Hey everyone, you are in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. So a lot of you guys looking for ways to recover deleted photos. Maybe because we lost something important or accidentally deleted some memories. So without further ado, let's get started. So the easiest way to recover photos is to open your gallery, find the trash or recycle bin folder. If your deleted photos are there, select them and tap the restore to recover them. Another way is to use Google Photos. Google Photos can back up your photos or video. So if you see the toggle option, just turn it on. And if they are deleted from your gallery, you can download them again here. If you accidentally deleted the photos, go to the trash section in the app menu. Select the photos you want to recover and tap the restore to move them back. And that's it. I hope this video helps you to recover your photos. Thanks for watching and take care.